Hey, what's up guys? Two birds and two bets. It's me, Gabe, and welcome to another episode. Today I'm going to be making some fried eggs. I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay? Thank you for over 400 subs. Okay, and this is how you make fried eggs. I like making one sunny side up, so put the cooking pan here and turn on the electric stove. Okay guys, thank you for over 400 subs. And remember, stay COVID free. First thing I like to do is, before I start making the fried eggs, I like to make sure I put a little bit of olive oil in the pan. So I use this. This is called Bertolli. Okay? Extra virgin olive oil. So I use this for cooking. Just put a little bit as so. Okay? Okay, and the next thing that I use is some butter. So the butter that I use is called Lurpak butter. Okay. Wait, the stove's not turning on. Hold on a second, guys. The stove's not turning on. Have a little problem here. Hold on. Okay, the stove's on now. Okay. Okay, so this is called Lurpak, spreadable. Okay, olive oil. So I like putting 1 scoop. Okay, so let me get the spoon. And I use this also for cooking and for taste. Okay, guys. Let me make sure the stove is on. Oh, the stove is off now. Okay, the stove is on now. Oh, what's going on here? Okay, it's on now. Okay, guys, so let me get my eggs now. I don't know what's going on here. Hold on. Oh, maybe I have to turn this on. Hold on. Should be cooking, but I like turning it up to number 5. Okay. Okay, guys. So here are my eggs. I got my eggs here. Okay, let me put the oil to the side. I got my eggs here, so I'm gonna crack it into the stove as so. Okay, I'm gonna be making one fried egg and 1 sunny side up. I like to mix it up like that, so I'm just making 2 eggs. Okay, so are you ready, guys? Okay. I turned off the fan so you can hear me talk, so. Okay. Ooh, I'm getting better at this, but it's not. I'm not a professional or anything, okay? Okay. I'm getting better at cooking. The reason I'm doing another cooking video is because somebody recommended. One of my viewers wanted me to do another cooking video, so that's what I'm doing. Okay. So that's 1 egg there. Okay, guys, so let that cook. And after that, I'm gonna be, like I said, I'm gonna be making 1 sunny side up and 1 fried egg. So this could be the sunny side up. So just let it sit there cooking for a couple minutes. And I like putting salt and black pepper on my eggs. So the black pepper that I use is crushed black pepper. Okay, this brand here. By Guan Sun. Okay. And the salt that I use is here. Prong tip, ionized refined salt. Okay. Okay. Okay, so the egg's almost done, as you can see. Let's see how far this goes up. 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow. It goes all the way up to like 10, I think. But 5 is enough, okay guys? You don't really need it that hot. Okay, so this is going to be the sunny side up. So sunny side up that means that it's going to have the yellow yolk. The yellow yolk is going to be on the top of the egg, okay? So 1 egg is finished now. So I'm going to be taking it out. You can hear it. Like I said, I turned off the ventilator, the air, so you can hear the cooking, okay guys? Okay, so this is finished here. So we got 1 egg done. Now I'm going to be putting it on the plate as so, because I like to have soggy eggs. So this is a really good egg right here. Okay, now I'm going to be putting it on the plate now, because it's finished already, you see? That's the egg, okay. So I'm going to be putting it on the plate now, because if I don't put it on the plate, it's gonna be yeah, okay, there it is. Okay, it's on the plate, it's perfect now. I'm not gonna put any more olive oil or butter because there's still olive oil and butter from the previous egg. Okay, this is the second egg. This is gonna be the fried egg. Because I never did a video of making an egg sunny side up with an egg with a fried egg. Only cooking videos I did so far are the scrambled eggs, and I made the pancakes. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You can see right there. So it's ready to be eaten and it's fresh. Okay, this is going to be the fried egg. It's cooking a little bit slow, so I'm gonna put up the numbers here. I want it to cook a little bit faster, so 7, 8, 9. Okay, I'll put it on full blast maybe. Let me see how it is in the bottom. Okay. It's on number 9 now. So that's what it looks like, guys. As you can see, it's healthy for you. This is a healthy breakfast. It's good for you. Okay, and as that's cooking, I'm going to be making 2 more eggs. Now, usually with my eggs, I like having a banana. So I have my banana as so. Yeah, so. Okay, now for this fried egg, I have to flip it, so it's going to be a little bit tricky, but I can get it. Okay, I just flipped the egg now, and I have to let it sit there as so. Okay, guys. It's a little bit tricky making breakfast, so I'm going to be making 4 eggs today. I'm on the second one now, and it's on number 9, so. Thank you for over 400 subs. Thank you, Two Birds and Two Pets, for joining my channel today. And I'm going to be doing a lot more videos. So, one thing I want to mention is this is a very healthy breakfast. So this is something you can eat every day, and it's good if you cook your own food. You know, so you don't have to buy food out in the street, because sometimes if you buy street food, it's dirty. Okay, so this is the fried egg, and it's finished already. As you can see, it's very yellow on the inside. And I'm taking it out now, you see? Okay. Okay, now I've got to put some more olive oil and butter in the frying pan. Okay. And this is going to be for the next 2 eggs, because I'm making 4. Okay. Here's the butter. Let that sit there. and marinate. Okay, let me get my another plate here. Okay. Okay, you ready? Okay. Now I have to be quick when I make this, okay guys? Because it's on number 9 now, so. Yeah, I hope you're enjoying my cooking videos. I'm going to be making more interesting videos and a lot more content that I'm going to upload on my channel. So I'm trying to do a lot of things, a lot of different things on my channel. So right now I'm just making breakfast, and I hope that you appreciate this breakfast video. The next cooking video I'm going to be doing, I don't know, I'm thinking about doing like an omelet maybe. So we'll see what happens, or we'll see when I get time to do that, okay? Okay, so one's done. I'm making one more. So I just let it sit there for a couple minutes, okay guys? It's almost finished, as you can see. Now you see the oil and the butter, it's kind of like hitting me, so it's very hot. And just let it sit there, okay. And it's done. So you just take it out before it gets too fried. And you just put it on the frying pan. Okay. So now that that's done, we got to make one fried now. One fried. Okay, guys? Okay, that's how that turned out, you see? Not as perfect, but it's a little soggy, but that's okay. The water's still there. You gotta have a little bit of variety, okay guys? And this is the last egg I'm doing, and then after that, we'll just finish the video. Thank you for over 400 subs. And today's a holiday. Today's Wednesday. I think it's Bisha Busha Day. So, yeah, and welcome back to my channel, you guys. So, I hope that, wherever you're at, Africa, Asia, America, Thailand should be opening up pretty soon, so we'll see what happens with that. Maybe next year, but they're saying July for Samui and October for Phuket, so we'll see. Okay, this is going to be the fried egg, so I have to flip it. Let me see if I can flip it now, maybe? Okay. And that's about it, guys. That's about it. That's how I make fried eggs every morning for my breakfast. So we're going to make this video short and sweet. And the video's finished already, so thank you for enjoying my channel today. How I made fried eggs with one sunny side up. Okay, so now I'm gonna be like putting everything away, so you can see me putting everything away now, okay? Okay, so it's finished, you see guys? Okay, so now I'm gonna be putting it on the pan. Okay, like that. And then now I gotta turn off the electric stove before I get burned. Okay. Okay guys, so that's it. That's how it looks like. I'm gonna show you. There's your American breakfast. Fried egg and one sunny side up. Okay, for flavor. And we're gonna be calling it a day now, guys. Thank you for joining my video. Now I gotta clean everything up, so we'll be seeing you in the next episode. Take care of yourself. Love you guys. And I'll see you in the next one. Okay? Okay, guys, I gotta clean up now. Bye-bye. Bye bye.